Hi and welcome to this composer quiz in which we ask the question, who am I? So it's guess the composer and there are 7 clues. If you manage to get this on the first clue, you can have 100 points. If you get it on the second clue, 90 points and so on. So you see how the quiz works. So good luck. Let's see how you get on. So who am I? Well, I was Italian. So there's the first clue. Now that's a tricky one, isn't it? Because there are lots of Italian composers, but at least it narrows the field a bit. And if you get a lucky guess on this one, you can give yourself 100 points. So I was Italian is the first clue. Okay, here's the second clue. Might just bring you a bit closer. I was very much involved in the work of a home for abandoned children. Very much involved in the work of a home for abandoned children. So if that gets you to the right answer, you can have 90 points. Okay, let's see if the third question gets us anywhere nearer. I was a violinist. A violinist. So that would be worth 80 points if you get the answer at this point. Okay, let's move on. The fourth fact. Besides being a musician, I was a cleric. In other words, a priest. So musician and a priest would get you the next set of points. Okay, moving on. If you're not there yet, don't worry. This one might just help you to do it. My works are often identified by something called RV numbers. So you know some composers have opus numbers, but this composer has RV numbers. So who do we know who might use RV numbers? Okay, here's clue number 6. I wrote over 500 concertos and 46 operas. Over 500 concertos, that's a lot, isn't it? And 46 operas. Who am I? Well, I hope you've got it, but here comes your last clue for 40 points if you haven't managed to get it to this point. I'm perhaps best known for a work I wrote celebrating the 4 seasons. The 4 seasons. So, did you manage to name the composer? I can see the tension mounting and the answer is about to be revealed, and then you can see how many points you managed to get. At which point did you manage to get the answer to this quiz? And the answer is Vivaldi, Antonio Vivaldi, Baroque Italian composer.